सवाल ये है रानी कि अगर एक आपकी वुमेन क्रिकेट टीम बने बॉलीवुड की, तो 3, 4, 5 या 6 एक्ट्रेसेस तो आप लेना चाहेंगे अपनी?
नहीं, मैं एक्चुअली मतलब क्रिकेटर्स को ही लेना चाहूँगी क्योंकि आई वांट टू मेक माय टीम विन।
अच्छा, इंडियन क्रिकेटर कौन है?
फिलहाल तो अभी अंजुम है, अंजुम एंड झूलन। आई थिंक दे आर एक्सट्रीमली टैलेंटेड। एकदम आई थिंक जो मतलब लड़कियां हैं वो हर फील्ड में आगे जा रही है और मैं वेट कर रही हूँ उस दिन को देखने के लिए वेयर आवर विमेन क्रिकेटर्स विल बी ऑन टीवी endorsing a brand.
The first question I'd like to ask her is that in case Chakde is made again, which I'm sure I've already shared my views with Jaideep Sani. In case Chakde is made again, this time I hope it's on cricket. Would you like to be a part of it?
Yeah, if it's in a women's cricket, then definitely.
I congratulate the team, Sunil Kalra and Anjum for working so hard, giving 5 years of time to a book and garnering all the details of women's history of cricket. It's really wonderful and I'd really love to go to. I'm an ardent cricket and hockey and all sports fan. I love football also. And another thing I've noticed is that Rani is always very helpful and very enthusiastic in coming out in such occasions which are absolutely non-commercial. She's always been a good friend with Anjum and with all people that she is. I think she deserves a round of applause from all of us for supporting such wonderful cause.
What are your thoughts on women's IPL? And since Devita has said that her company is ready to support and sponsor on it, they can really share it across the world. But what are your thoughts on women's IPL? Do you think really women should go out and play IPL? And I know you'll be a part of one of the teams as well. But what are your thoughts? Whether should there be women's IPL?
I think there should be everything, and there is nothing that women can't do. So why should IPL be a question mark or an area where you feel that IPL should not be played by women? I think if there's an initiative and where people are ready to sponsor, I think it'll be a great thing where women are playing 20, and that'll be. I'm quite a poor cousin right now. Of $1 million babies. So let's not get there. I would also like to say that my coach Anjali is sitting there. I want you to come here, Anjali, so I can give you a hug. And she's responsible in teaching me all that I learned in my movie Harikpa, and she's looking really very feminine today. So I can't recognize her. And she's someone who taught me how to basically play the game and made it really, really easy for me. And today seeing you in a sari, I feel really, really nice. No, actually I didn't recognize you with the sari, so I was asking Anjum, I said, who is that lady? She said, that's your coach. I said, oh my god, I can't imagine Anjali with a sari. But here you are, Anjali, looking so beautiful and gorgeous. And just want to say that she's a fantastic cricketer. And in fact, when I met Anjum for the first time, I kept talking about you. And thank you so much, Anjali, for being supportive when I did that film, and thank you for all that you've taught me. It's been a pleasure.
Happy to have you as a student. As you have learned cricket from me, the way you have praised me today, I must say that I have learned a little about people from you.
Thank you. Thank you, Anjali. Thank you. जब भी अंजुम मुझे कोई भी विमेंस क्रिकेट के ऑर्गेनाइजेशन या कोई इवेंट में मुझे बुलाती है, आई फील एक्सट्रीमली प्राउड एंड वेरी वेरी ऑनर्ड कि वो मतलब मेरे बारे में सोच के मुझे मतलब बुलाती है ऐसे मतलब इवेंट्स पे. एंड आई एम वेरी वेरी एंड एक्सट्रीमली प्राउड ऑफ ऑल द विमेन क्रिकेटर्स का कंट्री, नॉट ओनली क्रिकेटर्स, ऑल द विमेन एथलीट्स, women sports people, sports women who represent our country and they make our country so proud. So I think I'll be always there for supporting women, sports women in our country.
सवाल ये है रानी कि अगर एक आपकी वुमेन क्रिकेट टीम बने बॉलीवुड की, तो 3, 4, 5 या 6 एक्ट्रेसेस को आप लेना चाहेंगे अपनी?
नहीं, मैं एक्चुअली मतलब क्रिकेटर्स को ही लेना चाहूँगी क्योंकि आई वांट टू मेक माय टीम विन. अंजुम एंड झूलन, आई थिंक दे आर एक्सट्रीमली टैलेंटेड. मैंने उनके मैचेस भी देखे हैं, लेकिन आई थिंक इट जस्ट मेक्स मी फील वेरी प्राउड दैट दे आर डूइंग सो वेल फॉर अ टीम विच रिप्रेजेंट्स अ कंट्री अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. एंड इफ यू सी देम, अगर आपको नहीं पता कि ये मतलब विमेन स्पोर्ट्स विमेन है, मतलब फील्ड में कि ये मतलब विमेन क्रिकेटर्स है, अगर आप उनको खेलते देखेंगे तो आपको लगेगा कि शायद ये धोनी है या सचिन है या कोई है. सो अगर हमें पता चले कि वहाँ पोनीटेल आ गया या कोई लड़की है तो हमें समझ में आएगा. बट इफ यू सी देयर स्ट्रोक्स एंड द वे दे प्ले, यू वोंट फाइंड अ डिफरेंस इन द वे देयर स्ट्रोक्स एंड व्हाट द मेल क्रिकेटर स्ट्रोक्स. एकदम आई थिंक जो मतलब लड़कियां हैं वो हर फील्ड में आगे जा रही है और मैं वेट कर रही हूँ उस दिन को देखने के लिए वेयर आवर women cricketers will be on TV endorsing a brand.